Hello friends, I pray God for all your wellness. Today's painting I am taking the canvas board 12 by 16 and gel medium 2 instead of the water. I am using flat brush size 24 and picking some sap green. And here I am using the topping techniques and apply the sap green 4 corners of the canvas board. Here the top corners I will be making the bamboo tree, the two corners, and at the bottom corners reflection of bamboo trees in the water. So I am using dark base of the four corners first. Next to the second layer, the center part picking some leaf green and using the same tapping techniques and adding the colors step by step like this. And last I am using makeup brush to blend the colors together using the circular way. And the next step, using any kind of round objects for creating circles, big and small in sizes. Use the same techniques for more circles. Here I am using to create the circles cap of paint tube. After finishing the creating of circles, I am using round brush size 4. Apply the paint inside the circles in different colors. Just smoothen up like this. And next step, creating bamboo scarf. Here I am going to use a one stroke technique and the moist flat brush size 14, picking some leaf green color to create the bamboo scarf. Little bit of white color and a little bit of brilliant yellow green prepare well for the color mix to create a shade one side of the corner of the bamboo top to bottom like this. And next, node and branch of the bamboo tree is very important, so I am using the same color for creating the node of the bamboo. And next, creating the leaves, I am using the sap green and leaf green, and here I am using the one stroke techniques and creating the leaves like this. Here I am going to highlight the small piece of bamboos where the water flowing to the lotus pond. First applying some bone sienna to the base, next picking some emerald green to the next layer. Here also creating the node as it is. Next step, creating the flowing of water. The first step, I am picking little bit of sap green and adding little bit of water to create the base and prepare well for the color mix. Step 2, little bit of brown and titanium white for creating dark like water flowing. Step 3, creating waves of water in the pond. Please just do like this as I am doing. Here I am going to create the 7 sandstones, a very easy and simple technique. The first step using pencil to create the 7 sandstones. The second step picking some burnt sienna and using moist round brush size 6 to create the base of the 7 sandstones. After finishing that, picking some black color to create all the bottom of 7 sandstones, it will be differentiate the stones from each other. Now I am using pencil to draw the outline of Buddhas directly on the canvas board, but you can trace it or do as I am doing like this. I want to show you because of this and work heavily this drawing, but you work lightly so easily you can erase your marker. After that I am picking some black color to apply inside of the Buddha's outline. The fourth step I am using little bit of white and add with a little bit of burnt sienna to prepare well for the color mix. Apply the colors on the top of all the 7 sandstones. Another fifth step, picking little bit of titanium white and using 000 brush and creating dot like this the top of all the 7 sandstones. This will give more realistic looks to that. And finally creating the orchid flowers and lotus in the pond. Here I am using round brush size 6 and picking some titanium white for the base of the orchid flowers and lotus. This is the first layer of the flower. The second step I am picking some pink color for the second layer of the flowers just to highlight it like this as I am doing. to the realistic look to the pond, so I am adding step by step sap green and light green. This will give more realistic look to the pond. I hope that this painting is useful to your practicing. Already beginners level guide video is available on playlist. Please, if you are the beginner, just check it there. Thanks for your supporting. I meet you in my next painting. Subscribe my channel for upcoming amazing videos. Thanks for watching.